So I decided to build a custom mechanical keyboard. This is the KBD75 version 3.1 and my first time attempting to build a custom keyboard. For the plate, I decided on a polycarbonate plate over the brass and aluminum just because I wanted a softer typing experience. I also like more deeper and more muted keyboard sounds. There was also a choice of a soldered PCB or a hot swap PCB. I went with the hot swap board because I didn't want to go through the extra effort of soldering, and for a first time build I think it's kind of a no-brainer to go with something that's just a little bit easier and a little bit less stressful. For the switches, I lubed and filmed C3 equals tangerines. Even unlubed, these things are super smooth. Way better than my Cherry MX Browns, by the way. I used Krytox 205 grade 0 lube for the switches. And then for the springs, I just bag lubed them in groups of around 10. It was anywhere from 10 to 15 because I was working on about 10 switches at a time. So I just used a super lube for that. You can find it on Amazon. It's just some synthetic oil. Overall, in total, the process took about 6 hours because it did take me about maybe 3 minutes per switch. For the stabilizers, I'm using Durock V2 screw-in stabilizers, which I got off Amazon. I lubed these again with Krytox 205 grade 0. Putting these into the PCB was very easy, so no issues there. Some people try and tune their stabilizers to get it to sound just how they like it, but for me, I just decided to keep it how it was. Putting the switches and stabilizers into the plate and into the PCB was very straightforward. No issues there, other than I forgot to put the layer of foam included between the plate and the PCB. I had to take the switches back off and put the foam in, unfortunately, which took some time, but... Finally, for the keycaps, I got the Canon Keys Winter Tundra keycaps. They're really nice. I really like the colors. That's mainly why I got them. They're also in stock, and they were pretty cheap in comparison to other PBT keycap sets. Building this was not cheap. I use my computer every day, so having a good keyboard and having something better than what I already got is automatically a better investment. I think just the build experience too is a lot of fun too, so you kind of pay for that too. So I think everything together made it really enjoyable. If you like this video, feel free to support me by subscribing or just hitting the like button, I don't know. One of those. Also, you can check out my Instagram if you like digital art, 3D art, that's what I do, so you can check out my Instagram. I'll have it all linked in the description, all the parts and everything. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to let me know. Thanks, guys.